Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is our last alternate card using elements from the March 2026 paper pumpkin kit called Fluttering Garden. I took one of the card bases and I scored it at 2 1/8, so halfway across the front, and I'm going to do an easel card. So I have got some designer series paper from the Floral Charm pack, and I have cut it. This is a 5 1/4 by 4, and I cut it just under 2 inches, just because this is 2 1/8. So I cut it just under 2, so it'll fit in nicely like that. So we can absolutely go ahead and adhere that down. And then I'm going to use various items from the kit. Oh, that's the other one. The other piece goes just inside, like that. Okay, and then this is the piece that goes on the front. So we've just got that equal border all the way around. Make sure that I've got the flowers going the correct way up, and they do indeed go this way. So there we go. Like that. Okay, and I've taken some old olive and a blending brush, and I've colored the thank you, which is going to go on the front of the card. And I'm just going to put some adhesive down, and I'm going to pop this down like this so that when it pops up, you've got the easel piece there. And I'm going to put, I need my dimensionals, I'm going to put some of the hummingbirds to decorate the front, and then we'll get the bling out from the kit. So the only thing I'm really adding to this is some of the Floral Charm paper and the, oh, I put that up too high, Floral Charm paper and some blending ink. So I'm going to pop this down like this, and the reason I took that piece of dimensional off is because I put it too high, keeping in mind that we need to be able to still open the card. So let's put this, and we'll put this right here like this. And then this one can go here like this. Oh, I'm just a little bit over the edge. So we're going to come in just a little bit like that. Okay. So that's the front of the card. And then I'm going to put a dimensional on the back of this one, like this. And it's going to be the piece that holds the card front up. So this is going to go, and it's going to sit down here like this, and it will hold the card front up. So there's still room to write your message on the inside. Then you've got this here. All set up, all the hummingbirds going in different directions, which was what I wanted. And we're going to add a little bit of bling. So I'm going to just pop this down so I can add some bling. Sometimes the tools help and sometimes they don't. So I'm just going to pop one there like that. And another one at the just down here like this, and then I'm going to pop another one just kind of down here like this. I really want to focus on the thank you, but I am going to take some of the larger ones and just pop them on the front like that. I'm not going to put any on here. I just want to decorate the front. So that is our final alternate card. Folds down flat to go in the envelope, pops up to be an easel card. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.